TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. Tommy O'Brien live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 9 a.m. It's August 15th. Let's see what we have going on in the markets. We have markets higher this morning ahead of the open. S&P futures up 3 points, 24.6725. Dow futures right at that 22,000 mark, up 47 points. And S&P futures at 59.19, trading up almost 10 points. Jumping over to the VIX, as we continue to see the VIX come back to that single-digit territory as the market continues to climb higher. VIX this morning at 1158. We were as high as that 1728 Friday overnight, and then as low as 952 last Tuesday. 1 week ago, we're almost back to that level. We'll see where these markets shake out today. On the earnings front, we had Dick's coming out. Dick's Sporting Good with their earnings. Market not liking what they're seeing. Dick's trading at $28.57 right now, down about 19% approaching for that equity. Other news that we have out there, Coach coming out, again, struggling as well. 48 down to 43.48 this morning pre-market. And Home Depot also coming out with their earnings. Home Depot, quite the rise as they came out, 157.58, got a few prints up there of something, but right now trading at 153.31. You see it's still jumping around, closing at 154.26, so off slightly. Other news that we had at 8:30 Eastern time, we had retail sales coming out. And let's jump over to that. Retail sales definitely coming in very good for the market and ahead of expectation. U.S. retail sales advanced in July by the most this year. Widespread gains. Overall sales climbed 0.6% versus an estimated 0.3%. Sales excluding autos and gasoline rose 0.5 after a 0.3. Retail control sales group, which are used to calculate GDP, excludes categories. Either way, auto dealers, lots of good action there. So that's where we saw market action. Jumping over to the Nadex platform, here's the gold contract looking at December, trading at $12.73. There's your 8:30 mark. You'll see that jump around. And crude oil, 47.32, struggling a bit. S&P futures, a little bit of volatility, 24.69, higher this morning. And NASDAQ 100, 59.22. To finish things off, TLT, jumping over to the bonds. On that retail sales number, bonds trading lower this morning. Looking at the TLT, trading at 124.61. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up here at 9 o'clock. I'll be back with Tom at 10. And, of course, we have swim lessons, Basil Chapman, Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, and Andy Hecht. Have a great day, folks.